Hi, my name is Rodrigo here at Don Ringler Chevrolet, and I'm going to show you a little bit about this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado and its camera. Alrighty, so there's plenty of ways to use the camera. You could either go in reverse, camera will pop up obviously. You'll be able to see the lines, the grids in the back, whether you want to. Now the cool thing about it, every time you turn, not only will the actual lines in the back tell you where you're going to land, but you also got lines over here that'll tell you where the front clip's going to land or where the sides are going to get close to, and that'll be either or, right or left side that you turn on. So once you actually put it in drive, it'll show you the front as well. Now that's the cool thing about it. Every time you turn, the front will turn right along with the actual camera on your left. I've never seen any other truck do this. So second way to do it, if you're parked, you go home, slide to your right, and it's right there. Now there's plenty of ways to do it. Like I said, you have your front camera, your rear camera, your front camera with an angle, and the rear camera with an angle. Now what this does, it actually activates the light that you have for your tow hitch. So you have two cameras, and one camera on the back and a little light that helps you in the matter of you trying to hook up your trailer at night. It guides you. You can do the hood view, so every time you get close to anything, if I put it in drive and start driving forward, it'll tell me how close I'm getting to it. Or for the rear, do the same thing. If you're turning, it tells you where you're gonna land, all that cool stuff. You have angle visions for the rear, so you can see everything around you, and it'll do it for the front too. Now I've had a couple people ask me, why does it look blurry on the sides? Now the reason why is it's trying to block what you should not be seeing, so you don't get distracted. And it gives you about a 9-foot radius to each side, so you could actually see 9 feet to your side, whether there's another car right there, a pedestrian, anything that's next to you, so you won't hit it. My favorite part about this camera, I'm real picky about my wheels. So you have wheel vision camera. So every time you turn, this is your left, this is your right, whether you're parking at an angle or all that stuff, you won't damage your wheels. And cool thing about it is, on the rear, it shows the same. There goes one of our guys walking away. You can see him, pedestrians, you can see your wheels where they're gonna land. Now, I do a lot of trailing. Hook up my trailers to go, you know, to the beach or whatnot, hook up my boat, and you always need help from somebody. With this one, you could actually press that little button, helps you in the matter of you hooking up your own trailer. Now, with that said, you could actually do that, see the trailer behind you, see how close you're getting to it. A lot of features that are involved with the truck. Oh, and another thing about it, not only do you have your actual camera over here, if you have a lot of people back there sitting with you, whether you go on a fishing trip or whatnot, and you'll have big people sitting in the back, you can also use the camera up here. Boom.
Wow.
See behind you, you could actually angle it to where it's brighter, lower in brightness, zoom in, zoom out, or even level it to where it's going down, going up, to it could adjust to your height or whatnot without actually having to move the rearview mirror at all. Or you could just use it the regular way. Well, that was it for today, guys.